Hi folks. Well, this Toyota pickup, 2005 model. Is it correct? I'm looking here at the tag. It was manufactured 1004. So yes, it's a 2005 Toyota Tacoma. As you hear, maybe. Blower only works on high. So we're going to fix that. The problem is, in most cases, the blower motor resistor goes bad, and the reason it blows on high is because it takes a different path than the rest of the circuitry does. It goes directly to the motor. What I mean is, the power to the blower motor, actually it's the ground circuit to the blower motor, goes directly to the from the ground to the motor. The rest of it has to go through a resistor. Used to be, in the older days, it was a coil of wire, tungsten wire, that was actually cooled by the blower, actually cooled by the air that went through the air conditioner or the heater. This is what they look like these days. They're printed circuits. It's got a heat sink on the back. And it appears that all you got to do is just unplug it, unscrew it, slide out the old one, slide in the new one, bolt it in, plug it back in. It should work, unless of course you have some bad wiring that goes to the plug-in. So we're going to get busy replacing this. I haven't done much research on this at all, but I'm hoping that it's somewhat easy to get to. And I figure it's underneath here. See if I can, yeah, there it is, up there. Not too hard to get to. Pull the floor mat back a little bit. There's one screw. Let's look at this plug. It looks pretty clean. What you do is you pull this tab back and you unfasten it. We need to get the appropriate socket. That small reminds me of some of the stuff GM used to do back in the day. Where is it? There it is. Very small head on that bolt. I'll go see if I can find some appropriate sockets. Okay, I got some sockets. I got a feeling it's not 1/4. I think it's smaller than that. Yeah, smaller than 1/4. Let's see here what this is. This one is a 5/32. That's pretty small. And it's bigger than that. So let's look at this 7/32. Ooh, that's pretty close. I'm gonna go with it. Let's see here. Whoops, wrong direction. Change it up. That's coming out easy. Not that easy though. Not finger tied easy. Ratchet tied easy. Get that wire out of the way. Alright. Let's see if we can finger tied it out with the socket. Oh yeah. It's not too bad. Once you get it loosened up, we'll put it back on the ratchet now. Get the other side out. Oh, look Look at that wire in my way. Man, of course. I've never owned a Toyota before. This one's got a lot of miles on it, but it runs great. Now, if that's coming out of there, we're going to get a look at it here pretty soon. All right, there's that. Here's this resistor. Oh, look, it's got a burned up spot on it. Could be burned up, I don't know. This is the original one. I think my new one is a Chinese knockoff. I got a feeling that is burnt. I feel like. Let's compare them. And you know what? Whoops. That can't be good for it. There's just a piece of solder there on this one. It's kind of what that looks like. Let's plug it in and see what happens. All right. Connector onto it, and boy, should just snap right on there. Did it? Did it go full in? I think it did. Yeah, it did. Yeah, it just didn't make any noise. It's all the way on there. Now let's turn on the key. Oh, listen. Can you hear it? That's exactly what's wrong. So take the key out a little bit. It got hot quick. The side of this is kind of warm. Not warm, but discolored just a... Oh, no, it's not. That's the edge of the light was shining on it. Oh, no, it is a little bit discolored. You can't hardly tell in that light. All right, let's tuck this back up in here so it won't be in the way. Place this up in the hole. I'm going to have to hold it up there while I put a screw in it, so it's a two-handed operation, I think. Yep. I got the one screw in, so it's no longer a two-handed operation. And now I'm, with the help of the socket, starting the other screw. All right, so it started. Get my ratchet on there. Tighten her up. This will make the car a little more pleasant. It had good air conditioner, a little too good. Actually, this socket is just a bit too big. What size did I say it was? I don't know. I didn't even try to find the absolutely correct one. Come on. 730 seconds. Yeah, 730 seconds. It's going to be a metric or something like that. I don't know what. Well, get on there. Up there. It's right in there somewhere. There it is. This is so clumsy left-handed. I mean, with my hand all twisted up. It really is clumsy. And this carpet is kind of in the way a little bit. So let's push it out of the way. There we go. She's in there. Now we'll plug it back up. And that's been tweaked and messed up. But as long as it'll work, I'm gonna leave it in there. Usually what burns up resistors is a motor that's got too much resistance. And, you know, they wear out in time. This one appears to have been worked on. I don't think that's factory. I know it's not. So it may have had a motor replacement. I don't know. It doesn't look like a factory brand. I don't think it is. But anyway, so we're gonna try it one more time, make sure it's okay. God, if I can get my old body out of here. Start her up. Currently it's off. Now, guess what? I'm probably going to have to replace that plug. Yeah. It's working now. I wiggle it. But I have a plug. So if it continues to give me trouble, I'll replace it. But currently, I have adjustable blower motor. Very happy about that. All right, that's about it for today. As you see in the future, I could have another little project there, but currently it's working quite well, and I'm happy with it. I have some rivet nuts here, and a fuel pump block-off plate for a different car altogether. That's going to be a very interesting project. I appreciate you guys watching. It's a simple little process here, but if you're not familiar with it, it could potentially be confusing. I apologize for taking so long to make videos. There's been a lot of going on in my life, and I've been working a lot, and that exhausts me. I've been working a lot of things going on in life. I'm not too, so it kind of messes with my motivation. I'll try to do more videos and keep you guys entertained. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it very much. Have a great day.